Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the AirPods and turning on Android Bluetooth. This avoids drops during pairing. Next, open the case with earbuds inside, hold the setup button until the white light flashes. This forces pairing mode. Once done, tap the AirPods name in Bluetooth settings to connect. Make sure phone audio switches to them. If you want battery or firmware details, install a companion app now. It bridges features missing on Android. Once paired, you unlock advanced functions by installing apps that expose ear detection, battery levels, and spatial audio controls. You should map press and hold for ANC or transparency so physical controls work as you expect. Many apps let you set left and right independently. Also, make sure microphone routing and EQ are adjusted. Android may default to system settings, so change these inside the app for better call quality and balance. You finish by testing calls, media playback, and active noise cancellation. A proper ear tip seal dramatically improves bass and ANC, so swap sizes if needed. If you hit stuttering or connection drops, forget the AirPods and Bluetooth, hold the case button for about 15 seconds to reset, and then repair. Finally, update companion apps, clear their cache, and reboot your phone. This resolves most lingering bugs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.